YouTube. This is Jerome from North Kentucky Preparedness. Actually, flip these over before they burn. Woo! Just a little bit. Yeah. TJ from NTX Mag talks all the time about go forth and do. Go forth and do. I got a mindset of, and I actually do believe in that. I got a mindset of, you know, you need to check your gear. You need to prepare yourself for whatever. As Prepper Nurse 1 says, you need to prepare yourself for whatever may come your way. Oh, I got 3 more sausages to cook. You need to prepare yourself for whatever comes your way. But as I said, I'm always in the mindset of you need to check your gear. You need to test out your gear. And the only way to do that is actually just getting out there, going camping, going hiking, doing whatever to test yourself, test your abilities. Test your own knowledge. First time I cooked this, my Boy Scouts called it rock steak. But today I don't have steak, I got sausage. And they were very amused and entertained by me cooking. I'm trying to do this one hand. By me cooking my steak. Whew. Oh, there we go. But that's the sausages I'm cooking. Johnsonville Italian sausage. The sweet sausage. Alright. So, as I said before, you know, go forth and do is what TJ says from NTX Mag. Prepper Nurse 1 says, you know, you should prepare yourself for whatever. And I think, you know, that you should always test out your gear. And the only way to do that is to go camping. Let's go see my camp first. Oh, I'll show you this. My camp setup for the weekend. We had some snow yesterday. So I got, and I'm putting a tarp on top of it. I got a big mess in there though, right now. This is a Ozark Trail, small, probably 3-man, 2-man person tent. I use paracord for a ridge line up to a tree. I ended up having to readjust this. First thing this morning, 6:30 in the morning, my whole tent was caving in, so I ended up having to readjust that and redo it first thing this morning. And you can't tell right now, but this place was covered in snow. It probably snowed about 1.5 to 2 inches or so. Yeah, it's warm enough where it all melted away. But as I said, my tent was caving down in 2 different spots. That spot right there and that corner right there. So once I redid this, it fixed the problem. I also thought about hanging another tarp up top for like just a shelter, but I didn't really need it. Ended up being okay without it. Oh, let's go walking here. This is a small bridge they have here. This is a dry creek right now, but this place has a whole bunch of creeks. Taking my life in my own hands right now, walking into the stairs. But as I said, this place has a whole bunch of creeks. That creek right there is kind of dry right now, but that creek right there is flowing pretty good. Let's take a walk over to it. Oh, you see it there? It's flowing pretty good. I don't know why the other creek's dry, but this place has a whole bunch of creeks. Oh, I don't know how well you can tell on that tree line right there. It's that's Gunpowder Creek, and that hill right there is all owned by the Boy Scouts. Oh. Yeah. And I guess I should have said it before. I'm at Camp Michaels this weekend, camping out with some Boy Scouts, and just having some fun, relaxing more or less. But I'm just helping out. I'm lucky enough I can camp by myself this weekend. But this place is about 700 acres. It's 3/4. It's about 3/4 of a mile off the main road. Well, it's not really a main road. It's just a side road. It's my camp over there. So it probably goes back that direction, probably about half a mile or so. Some more camps. And as I said, it's about 700 acres. The Boy Scouts own on the other side of that creek, which is a decent sized creek. It's almost river size, but it's called Gunpowder Creek. And as I said, it's about 700 acres. So there are deer out here. There are wild turkey. Obviously raccoons. Little trash pandas. Also, one of the camps further back there. Primitive camping. This is almost all primitive camping. There is not very much electric or running water out here at all. They're wanting to do some updates out here, but they have not yet. This is a dry creek again. I'm going across that bridge. It's just a walking bridge. Small. Let me go back to the sausages. Oh, this fire was not easy to start. Also, if anybody needs, I ended up picking some Field and Stream coupons up today, and if anybody wants one, let me know. While I still have them, I will absolutely send you one. spend the money to send you one, even if it'll save you a couple dollars. So, so this is Jerome from Northern Kentucky Apprentice. Thanks for watching.